Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back with another really affordable hair review. So if you guys are interested in this hair that I have in at the moment, then of course continue watching this video. Okay guys, so of course y'all know I love to bring you guys affordable hair reviews because that's just something that I love. I love affordable hair, so I like to share my reviews with you guys. So yeah, this is another one of those type of videos, and of course y'all know it is from my local beauty supply store because I stay in there 24/7. The hair that I currently have in right now is by a brand called Kima Master. I'm not exactly sure if all beauty supply stores have this hair, but of course y'all know I will leave a link down in the description box if I can find a website online that actually sells this hair. This is their top grade premium fiber hair, and it says grade AAAAA. Not exactly sure what that means, but to me basically it is synthetic hair. It says no tangle, no shed, and it's supposed to be like their most natural texture. The pack actually comes with 2 bundles. I did pick up the inches 22 and in the color 1B, and for one pack this hair was $12.99. so for this hairstyle I did use 2 packs of this hair, so in total I used 4 bundles. 4 bundles for what total it came up to $26 plus tax. That is a great price. So I do have a video on my channel of me installing this hair. It is a middle part with a quick weave. I will leave it up in the cards if you guys have not checked that video out. The hair actually came straight, and after a while I just decided to do like a braid out on it. So basically I plaited the hair in about 6 plaits, dipped it in hot water, and I let the hair dry completely, and I unbraided it, and that's how I got these cute waves here. When it comes to synthetic hair, because this is synthetic, I know a lot of people say it is harder to manage hair that is longer than 18 inches, but in my opinion with this hair it was super easy to manage these 22 inches. Like, I didn't get a lot of tangles. I honestly did not even get a lot of shedding or anything, because I've had some cheap hair that sheds so much. But this hair, for it to be so cheap, I have not gotten a lot of shedding, which is always a plus. The hair is actually really soft and really silky. If you've seen the install video, you've seen how smooth and how it flowed. And even though I've had this hair in for a week, it actually still feels really good. So I have actually been enjoying this hair. Like the texture of this hair is like a really good texture for it to be synthetic. Like, I cannot believe it. Like, I have absolutely no complaints on this hair. This is really good, especially for the price. You cannot beat that. Like I said, I've had this hair in for a week so far, and I do plan on keeping it in for probably a few more days, and like, I absolutely love it. One thing I am going to do though, after today, I am going to try to straighten it back out to see if it straightens just like how it did when I first installed it. So I will probably leave a comment down in the comment section to let you guys know how that turned out. But for the price of this hair and for a quick style, like, you cannot beat this hair. Like I said, the hair feels really good for it to not even be human hair. So yeah, I just want to come and share my opinion on this hair with you guys. I really do love it. Like I said, if you guys did not see the install video, it is up in the cards. This hair is just super beautiful. The waves that I have in them right now is just flawless. I haven't been doing anything major with this hair. The only thing I do is brush it out with my paddle brush every day. That's just about it. I sleep with a silk scarf, and I put the hair back into a ponytail, or I just keep it like in 2 plaits if I'm going to sleep. So For 22 inches synthetic hair, this hair holds up really good. I have been enjoying these long inches. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions that I probably did not leave in this video, y'all know I am good at responding to comments. So if you have any other questions on this hair, leave them down in the comment section. I will respond to you down in the comments. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. Also turn on your post notification bell so you guys won't miss any of my uploads. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.